Little storyteller.
Clucky the chicken lived in a cozy coop with a bright red roof on Farmer Giles' sunny farm. Clucky had fluffy white feathers and a curious yellow beak. One sunny morning, while watching the other farm animals busy with their day, Clucky had a brilliant idea. My real talent isn't just pecking for corn, she clucked to herself. It's cooking. So Clucky decided to write a cookbook, filled with the best recipes from all her farm friends. First she hopped over to Penelope the pig's muddy pen. Penelope, a round, happy pig with a curly tail, was wallowing in her favorite mud. Penelope, Clucky chirped. What's your most special recipe? Penelope smiled, her snout covered in mud. Oh, Clucky, it has to be my perfect mud pies. The secret is the extra squishy mud and a sprinkle of sweet clover. Next, Clucky fluttered to Daisy the cow, who was grazing in a field of green grass dotted with colorful wild flowers. Daisy was a gentle cow with big, kind eyes. Daisy, Clucky asked politely, do you have a yummy recipe for my cookbook? Daisy mooed softly. Of course, dear Clucky. My creamy clover smoothies are the best on a warm day. You just need fresh clover and a little bit of sunshine. Clucky then found Benjamin the bunny nibbling on carrots in the vegetable patch. Benjamin had long, floppy ears and soft, white fur that twitched as he munched. Benjamin, Clucky called out, any special bunny treats you'd like to share? Benjamin hopped closer, his nose wiggling. My crunchy carrot bites are a favorite. The key is to pick the freshest, crispest carrots. Clucky worked very hard, pecking at leaves and twigs to write down all the wonderful recipes in her little notebook. Finally, her cookbook was finished. She gathered all her friends near the sparkling river that flowed through the farm. I've made a cookbook with all your amazing recipes, she announced proudly. The animals were so excited, they all decided to have a big farm picnic, trying out each other's recipes from Clucky's cookbook. Penelope's perfect mud pies were surprisingly delicious, with a bit of imagination. Daisy's creamy clover smoothies were cool and refreshing, and Benjamin's crunchy carrot bites were a big hit. Everyone agreed that Clucky's cookbook was a wonderful way to celebrate their different talents and share the yummy things they liked. They learned that even though they were all different animals, they could work together and share their special gifts, making their farm a happier and tastier place to live.
Please subscribe. Thank you.